To get the best available deal for Namecheap, go to the link right here at the bottom of the screen, or just scroll down to the video description and click on the first link you find there. When you land on this page, click the orange Get Limited Offer button. This will take you to see the prices. If you choose monthly pricing, you can actually get your first month for free with EasyWP Starter, but you'll generally get a better price overall if you choose yearly pricing. For the absolute cheapest hosting, choose the Starter plan. Or if you want an included domain, a CDN, and higher site capacity, then I recommend selecting the Turbo plan. But just know that .com is not one of the domain extensions that you can get as a free domain with Turbo. To keep things simple for this tutorial, I'll go ahead and select the Starter plan. Here you can see everything that's included in the Starter plan, and there's a red X next to free domain name, which isn't a big deal because we can add a domain later. If you're happy with the plan you've selected, go ahead and click Checkout. Next, click the button to log in with Namecheap. If you already have a Namecheap account, you can log in here, or click the Sign Up button at the bottom. Enter your name and email, create a username, and a password. Then click Sign Up. Then click Allow so the EasyWP app can access your Namecheap info. Next up, select the payment method. You can use a credit card, a PayPal account, or even click Top Up Funds to pay with Bitcoin. I'll use PayPal.